Good morning and welcome to Agoracom Small Cap Stock News. This is the show for Thursday, July the 3rd, 2014. I'm your host, Alan Barry Labucan. I'm also the chief market commentator for Agoracom. Every morning I go through a bunch of press releases to talk about what I see in the news that interests me, and also what I see in the stock activity in the charts. Every day we keep it to about 10-minute time frame. We've got 4 companies to talk about today, so we'll have no problem with that time frame. The first company I wanted to talk about is Virtutone Networks. Virtutone Networks is an Agoracom sponsor, and they had a press release out earlier today that Virtutone announced results of the first quarter with 28.4 million in revenues. This company has been very rapidly on a sequential basis and quarter over quarter, growing their revenue quite impressively. They've got the comparables in there. You can see that in the company's website. Virtutone is a wholesale telecommunications company. They serve as an intermediary between large carriers and local telephone companies, with extensive organization services in over 73 countries worldwide. So this company isn't going after the big markets. They're going after the small and high growth markets throughout the world, and certainly showing up in their revenue. Again, Virtutone is a sponsor of Agoracom, but this news stands on its own. VFX is their stock symbol. They trade on the Venture Exchange. The next company up is PC Gold. PC Gold announced drill results from their Pickle Crow project. That's in Ontario. They had their highlight hole is 4.03 meters of 12.72 grams per ton gold. This company I've been watching this company for a few years, and they've been coming up with these kind of results, but I think where they've been challenged is to sort of put it all together in something that possibly could be mined. They do get these very good results, but is there enough there is the question, and is there a possibility that it can be mined? I continue to watch the company due to the good numbers in their drilling. The stock today is up a half a cent to 7.5 cents on only 2,000 shares traded hands. Just looking at the stock chart, and this one's a bit of a patchy trader. Seems to need a lot of help with its audience building. Generally, the trend looks to be getting a little bit stronger, but in saying that, I would emphasize the little bit part. PKL is their stock symbol, and they trade on the Venture Exchange. Next up is Pretium Resources. Pretium Resources announced a new batch of drilling, and they continue to confirm gold mineralization at depth. One of their holes had 10 meters of 43.57 grams per ton gold and 29.22 grams per ton silver. They had another hole with 12 meters of 5.42 grams per ton gold and 5.15 grams per ton silver, but there was a sub-interval in there of 1.5 meters of 36.2 grams of gold and 12.40 grams per ton of silver. So that's the kind of numbers that they get a lot of in this discovery. It's why I think that they'll be a future takeover target of major gold producers. Looks like they've got a high-grade system that could be a low-cost producer. The stock is down 8 cents today on 46,000 shares traded, last at $8.79. As I mentioned yesterday, this company's on a classic bullish trend. I like the discovery. I like their potential to be a takeover target, or even if they become a producer, I think even better. I like Pretium a lot. PVG is their stock symbol, and they trade on Toronto. And just checking here, the final news release today is from Absolute Software. Absolute Software offers endpoint security for Microsoft's Surface Pro 3. Patented absolute persistence technology embedded in Microsoft Surface Pro 3, available through authorized service resellers in U.S. and Canada beginning next month. Now, I'm not sure how popular this Surface Pro 3 is. Microsoft is definitely committed to this line of devices. They look to be getting their security solutions from Absolute Software, so that's an interesting development. Markets seem to like the news. Stock's up 7 cents today on 31,000 shares traded hands, last at $7.05. Since it had a dip back in May, stock's been getting a lot stronger. I like what I see here. Good chance I'll be making this as one of my picks at the end of the week, best of the best and weekly stock pick show. So on that note, that's all the news for today. Before making any investment decisions, it's important for you to do your homework and speak with your financial advisors. Look for our news shows Monday through Thursday, dependent on the news flow per day. And then look for our end of the week show where we do our best of the best stock picks of the week. On that note, you have a great day, and we will talk to you soon.